Hi guys and welcome to Coin Homeland. So let's look at the weekly forecast first. I remind you guys about the VSA market scanner available on our website for small fees. Basically, it scans all the markets for you right here. So it tells you New Zealand is really weak right now. So it would be a good idea to go check New Zealand if it's good to take a sell trade. Would be the best to short it against CHF or Japanese yen, safe havens. So first you would go check the VSA, what's going on in the market. Then after that, you go look at the chart. This is how you catch the best trend. Otherwise, you're going to be lost on the market, okay? Looking at the DXY, we still expect a continuation right here, guys. We said this is a support, second level, then almost 3 times right here. So basically, this is building an uptrend right there. So we're still very bullish. And if you look at the MACD right here, it started a new buy signal. Okay, so we are looking for this to continue to the upside here to 96.50, then all the way to 97.42. So basically, this is gonna send the euro dollar and pound dollar down, okay? Euro dollar, this is also the APCO trading system, guys. APCO, Advanced Profit Cloud Oil. It's you can see it gives a really good buy signal right here, stop loss right here. This one, very good sell signal right here, correction, then a sell signal. Why sometimes you get something like this, then you have to go check the VSA market scanner. You combine those together, then you eliminate to get the best signals. Okay, it's very accurate, two systems when you put together the VSA market scanner. So basically, the VSA is going to tell you which one is given in a trending. Then the APCO is going to get you to the first and best place to get in and the best place to get out. Okay, so the VSA is going to, the range of market out, a weak trend out, and just get you only in a very strong trend. That's the VSA market scanner. The APCO trading system is going to tell you when to get in, when to get out. You need to answer those two questions: what to trade, when to get in, and when to get out. This is very, very important to be successful in the market, okay? So euro dollar still negative here, guys, bearish. So we're looking at this 1.2160 and all the way here. Look at the MACD right here. Look at this just going down. Look at this high here, right here in the MACD. But at the same time, look at this high here and this one, okay? Then you look at this one. It's almost equal in price, right? But look at the MACD. It's just going really deep down. Then look at this one, okay? Were it much lower here, it's a little tiny bit lower here. So basically started getting divergent right here. The uptrend was weakening, so it's reversing. So we're still looking for a down move in the euro dollar right here. Okay? Pound USD, it did make triple top right here, 1, 2, 3 times, having problems to go through 1.3640. So basically we're looking for a down move from here all the way to 1.3520, then all the way another 100 pips or so, 250 pips total. Australian USD is the same scenario. I think after this up, correction up, then it starts coming back down right here. Try again. I think this is just gonna fail. Look at the MACD right here. Start going actually to the 0 point. I think this is gonna continue 70, 74 and possibly lower, especially when the Feds in March 16th start crashing the market. Okay, so Euro Australian right here, guys, we can get a move to the upside, but be careful from this one because it's still crawling down. But once the market hit the risk off mode and you can see Australian to get really, really weak, the problem is Euro is weak and Australian is weak. That's why you get this not very good trend right here, okay? So don't short it yet. Don't short it. No short, okay? Australian, Japanese yen, we discussed this one is a very good sell, guys, with a risk off. So basically, that's one move like this. M shape, M shape, M shape right there, okay? So we're looking at 81.30, then 80.30, and possibly much lower than that. Also, Australian, Japanese yen is going to be subject to high volatility in the coming days. Euro New Zealand, guys, I think this is going only to be up move to 1.7194. So this is only a buy, no sell. So be careful from this one. Pound Australian, the same scenario. We're looking for up move right here all the way to 1.9150 again. Don't take any sell here, okay? So I think this is only a buy. Pound Japanese yen, this is only a sell, guys. Look at this one, start coming really nice. This is very correlated to pound dollar. So pound Japanese yen is very correlated to pound dollar. Gold, just try to avoid gold because of the situation right now. So if invasion or anything like that, it's gonna be very difficult. Look at this right here. It did give you a buy signal right here, then a continuation, then a buy signal. This is the ABC trading system, gives you also signals right here, and the MACD is still continuation. I wouldn't like to buy here, but what happened if the price will come back down, break below 1890 right here, we can take a sell. Other than that, just ignore it, ignore it. DAX did open in a gap. We still looking for 14,500. So this is only more down, guys. DAX is only more down. Don't buy any indices now, not before April. The same scenario for the Dow, guys. Dow here, if you guys do remember, we got this wave and we got this wave with you. So we expect this to hit 13,000, 33,100. So still about 900 more points to come down, and possibly one move up, then just continue going down to 32K. So this is still very bearish in the Dow Jones. Nasdaq is the same scenario, guys. This is only very bearish. This is gonna get even worse only, okay? If there is good news between Russia and Ukraine, this is going to be very positive to the indices. But so far, this is just going to continue being bearish, okay? Only down. The same scenario for BTC. If you guys do remember, we have made a live. We said expect 36K from right here, guys. From right here, we said sell this high, take profit. It's beautiful. It did come all the way to 38. I think this is only gonna continue to 36 also, and possibly 35. Okay, so don't take any buy in BTC. Is not ready yet. There is no buy signal by any means. The Ether is the same scenario. Okay, so guys, only a sell. If you guys trade crypto and you want to get our APCO trading system, you can use it in multi-time frames, in 1 hour time frame. If you want to smaller, faster signals, you can use the 5-minute. It works in any time frame. So it gives you the best signal right here. It gives you the stop loss. Okay, see, all this is color coded, it is red, it's just there is no buy signal. Wait till we get something like this or something like this or something like this. This will be a buy signal, but so far don't rush to go buy because it's dipping. It may continue more dipping and more dipping, just like what happened here. Okay, so no buy yet. Okay, guys, thank you and have a wonderful day.